let's do the correct color. And then the medium shade. Back and blend the medium with the dark, and then finally the medium with the light, or the light with all of them. There we go. Let's do our little boots. And I'm going to do the little ground around them too while I'm doing the boots. And while I'm doing it, might as well do the snail shell. And kind of with the snail shell, I do it at the bottom, keeping track of the light source, and I also do it where those swirls of the shell meet. Add a little bit of shadow in there. And then we'll deepen the shadow. You can see on the first couple layers, I'm not super careful because I know that I'm going to be going back over it. I don't want to get too much ink in there. I'm a little bit more careful when I do the final layer because that's going over everything. It's blending everything in place. There we go. And last but certainly not least, I know it's not really a normal slug color, but I wanted to add another poppy yellow in there, which is interesting for me since it's not my favorite color. But it just tied in the colors from the little girl's image. Let's blend this a little bit more. All right, so this is done. I'm going to go off screen and I'm going to color this image completely, and then I'm just going to color the top of the mushroom and the flower. And I forgot to say, oh no, that's just got 2 layers. I was confusing myself for a second there. So I'll see you in the next video and we will start assembly.